would be like. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and get started. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. How are we feeling this morning? How are we feeling this morning? Happy CPI. Happy CPI. Hope everybody's doing fantastic this morning. Let's put this on the left and at the top. There we go. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Money Glitch. Good to see you, man. Per usual. Good to see the loyal and faithful. Right now, we're starting to come down here off of this CPI high. I kind of don't want to be bullish. Bearish right now, but we are coming down. We may want to see this low get tagged right here. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. Not too sure yet. But we're here to find out, right? We're here to find out, and then whoa, we are bulling to the downside. Yeah, wake up alive. This is also amazing. Yep. Can't ask for nothing more, right? Yeah, I woke up this morning and I get the trade. It's a wonderful life. It is a wonderful life. All right, took CPI high. We're going down. I also want to mark up my 15-minute orb. So charts may be a little cluttered. Charts may be a little cluttered this morning, but still want to mark up my process here. Still want to mark out my opening range here, just to see what type of sentiment we have. Yeah, we have another 6 minutes in the opening range here. I'm not seeing anything that says be bearish right now, so as much as I would like to just follow this this energy and excitement right here, I think I'm gonna stay bullish. The market will hunt yesterday's data high, rather today data low first. I agree. Even though we kind of already got it. This is our data high right here. So we tag data high. Now everybody and their mother is probably expecting data low or CPI low, whatever you want to call it. This is going to be a really nice bearish engulfing after taking that high. It might work out. You may get a quick little pop, but once again, I'm just seeing play the bullish side in this, honestly. And this opening range hasn't been established yet. I've just got the markings there because I don't feel like putting it back up. There's a 2 tab of CPI data low. 1 minute. 2 tab CPI data low. What you mean, like this? 1, 2, I think, or 1, 2, something like that. We'd love to see how we react from this right here. All right, big bearish engulfing right there. Big bearish engulfing, big bearish engulfing. We're kind of at an area of interest right here as well. I'm kind of cheating in my process a bit. Yeah, could have taken that for a quick little bounce back up there. Might flip right back down though for the next 5 minutes. Oh yeah, let's take a little. Oh, I just realized that I'm marking up on NQ. Wow, I did all that on NQ. Damn it. I do not want to play. Yeah, I don't want to play whatchamacallit. I'm gonna stick with the micros today. I don't think there's any reason to be playing the minis today. Nice little flip back down there. Booling back to the downside. Did we break this yet? No, not really. Let me see. 1, 2, no, not really. 1, 2, 3. This could be like a little double tap right here. That bearish engulfing looked kind of strong. I'm trying to not beat myself up over it, but I think this could be like your 4 or 5 tap after sweeping all of this. It's so strong to the downside though. Yeah. Data high. I'll be honest with you, I have no idea where this term of data high and data low comes from. In fact, so I'm not gonna use it. CPI high. I like, yeah. CPI low. CPI low. Wow, did I really just high? Low, Andre. Has my 15-minute been established yet? No, not yet. Another day, algorithmic boys are winning today at least. Yeah, I don't have too much right here, so we will wait. Nothing wrong with waiting. Nice little push up to the upside right there. I kind of like that. Not terribly extended here. This is why I don't like to get caught up in the first 15 minutes of the day. Start micro-analyzing stuff. Thinking you see something when there's really nothing there to be done. Alright, first 15 minutes have finally been established. Looks like we're hammering this to the downside. I don't think we have any other news today, right? Yeah, we're in the clear. Trying my best to not get shaken out here. A little crossing down to 30 seconds. Maybe I should be looking for shorts now. 1, 2, 3. These candles are all over the place. These candles are literally all over the place. If I was going to attempt a long, that was going to be it right there. Let me wait for this 1 minute to close. Yeah, I still have a slight bullish bias here, guys. Still not exactly clear though. Yeah, there it goes. Had like a a little 5 tap right there. I think we're going up from here. Yeah, that would have been beautiful had I was looking for it. Market structure reigns supreme once again. Boom, wow. Getting closures above the 1 minute here. We're so high up into this range, I don't think I can do anything about it right now. So I may have missed that one. Yeah, we may have missed that one to get up to highs. Wasn't prepared. We all know the market rewards preparation. All good. Yeah, I should have saw this and should have got in. All right, let's see if we can play the bullish engulfing here. Let's see if we could play the bullish engulfing. Real quick, I'm gonna place a dummy trade real quick just to get a feel for volume, I guess. Not a real trade here, guys. Not a real trade. Just want to see where we're at. Yeah, volume is in. Volume is 100% in.
Order filled.
So I might need to be careful with that full pack. All right, bullish engulfing right there. Come a little bit lower. Come a little bit lower than tag me in. I see a little bit lower here now, so I can actually put some size on you. There we go. All right, I like that. I'm going to put 5 for right now. See if we want to start making some new highs here. What do I need like? Need exactly 600 to pass this one. Kind of want to add just a little bit more, just a hair more.
Order filled.
Ugh, that feels ugly. All right, that's the trade, guys. Hoping that we make new highs. Don't like how the SMAs kind of look right there. But as long as we're staying up here, I will have some confidence in it. But I don't like how it looks like we're about to cross down from right here. I really don't. Not liking this rejection. Yeah, what's up with that, Nasdaq? We can make a new high here. All right, so I'm no longer willing to take that full loss right there. So I'll do something like that. And if we can make one more push up, I'm gonna break even. Don't like the little glitch right there, so I'm going to break even right there. Just looking for a little bit more here, Nasdaq. Not beautiful.
Order filled.
Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Now, if she wants to just pop up there, I'll be satisfied. Beautiful, Nasdaq. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Watching this very closely. I would love for this to scream up there. Not really worth taking the rest off right now. Especially if we're going to scream up there. We're going to push. Maybe we could push right now. This is an area of interest to go short, so rejections are not welcomed here.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, I'm going to take that right there for 339. Didn't want that to reject, so I took some off. I don't even know how much I need, like 300 now. It's not going to do all of that, but if she wants to, that'd be great. Yeah, I don't like that rejection right there. What's my 1 minute looking like? 1 minute looks a little weird. Yeah, 1 minute looks like it wants to cross up. Really want to put some more on right here, but I don't have this. I don't have anything that says so. All right, that kind of crossed up there. Not too bad. Yeah, our entry is in a terrible place. Nice. Looks like we're popping up there now. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Did I one and done that? I think that was the first trade of the day, right? I think so. Beautiful. Decent recovery, guys. Decent recovery. Decent recovery. From yesterday's blunder, right? Still need a lot just to pass this. But, you know, it may just go up. Is that all-time high? Oh, damn. All-time high is, like, right here. Shit. Damn it. All right, we might be coming for sweeps here. Might be coming for sweeps here. Might be coming for sweeps here. It will fall in. I'll go long, going 5-minute SPS. Good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff. I'm also thinking about just closing right now. Beautiful NASDAQ. I like what I'm saying. Letting the runner work, letting the runner run. Decent little trade right there. Love playing those 5-minute engulfings. Really been holding it down lately. Really been holding it down. What, ES? Alright, we'll take a look at ES. Oh, Jesus Christ. Yeah. Wow, ES. God damn. Oh, ES was the right move. If I would have did the same move on ES, this is it right here. Wow. I might just close this. It's not worth me closing for $40 though. It's really not. One, two, three. Yeah, this might come down a little bit heavy. We'll close that and look for another entry here. Yeah, I'm gonna close that and look for another entry. Real question is, how low does she want to come? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. I need her to sweep this though in order for me to get involved. If not, I mean, well, I just let her. We did good today, actually. I can't be mad at that. We did good today. 370. Question is, how far are we going? I'd rather not be on the wrong side of this. I'm trying to give it like 100. Trying to give it about $100 or so. Just realized I'm probably talking a little low. Need some sweeps. No sweep, I can't get back in. I'd rather not be a part of your liquidity today, NQ, not today. Rather not be a part of your liquidity today, NQ. Struggling at this level right here. Kind of a repeat of yesterday. Trying not to turn a winning day into a losing day here. If I was in my XFA, I would have been done already. No, that's not a proper sweep. At least not to my eye. 1, 2, back into the range. 3. Yeah, that's got to come down a little bit lower. So I'm sitting on hands, guys. I'm sitting on hands, sitting on hands, sitting on hands. I am sitting on hands. All right, looks like ES. Looks like NQ wants that high. And I don't have anything to get me into it, so. Just realized these markings are not correct as well. CPI high. And this is my orb. All right, looks like CPI high is about to get tagged here. Couldn't get those sweeps I want to re-enter. It's okay. And I let the runner go. Looking for a better entry. Another lesson right there. All right, I don't see anything in the way of tagging this high here. So if you're in, good job. Good. Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. As outlined. As outlined. Should have just held this. Coulda, shoulda, woulda, right? Coulda, shoulda, woulda. 1, 2, 3. Couldn't get no sweeps right here, so it's all good. So I need 225 to pass this. That was the winner right there. This bullish engulfing. Engulfing candle's been holding it down. The retail logic, blah, blah, blah. Woo, woo, woo. I know some niggas were looking at these lows right here. I already know. I'm just here for signals. What's up, Brando? Sniper. I know who you really are. Retail logic, support and resistance. We took Asia data high. Now we got to go for Asia data low. Come on, fair value gap, bro. It made a fair value gap. It was supposed to go lower, even though I'm ignoring market structure. I'm being mean. I'm being very mean at this point. Every dog has their day. But we took the high. That means we gotta come for the low because it's CPI. Ridiculous. First presented fair value gap. The first presented failed. The first presented fair value gap. It was supposed to do this with a tight stop. Look at that tight stop. It go all the way to hell. Where's my 1 to 10? Yeah, I'm going to hell. If anybody trades ICT, once again, I don't think it's complete nonsense. There's some merit to it. It's just repackaged support and resistance. But yeah, I really got to learn that a lot of this shit is just follow the trend, bro. Put a little moving average on there, wait for some sweeps in the pullback, get in. I mean, no end dog required. I ain't gotta look back and see what gap happened at the next week or the week previous. I ain't gotta look into the future and no shit like that. Alright, so I don't know what's about to happen, but kind of wish I would have held a little bit more though, so I could be done. So I can finally activate these XFAs. Damn it! I mean, shit. So Money Glitch, you may get your sweep here. You may get your sweeps. You may get your sweeps. So we tag CPI high. Instant reaction right there. And I've explained my distaste for the 2022 ICT's 2022 model. I've already explained my distaste for that shit. I'm still expecting higher, but you know, I guess we gotta make sure that these people who long need to lose. So everybody that longed right here needs to lose. I have my entry right here, so technically my entry needs to lose first before going higher. I would love to long this right now, but I just don't have the strategy for it right now. Don't have a model, I don't have an entry. Whack, right? Need to see something happen on a macro. Fuck a duck. Fuck every duck. Fuck all the ducks. I could try a long right here. But once again, we didn't sweep these areas right here, so it's not exactly the best idea. We did take CPI higher though. Yeah, no, we did this yesterday. We got cooked, so I'm gonna wait. We did that yesterday. Tried to get a couple more points and bang it out, and we got absolutely blasted for it. So try not to do that today. I have some patience. We did good. 370 is a good day. question is, how ugly does she wants to look right now? What time is it? It is 10:13. Good time. Good time, good time, good time, good time. You guys are quiet today. How's everybody doing? How is everybody doing? Are we red? Are we green? Are we still flat? Are we waiting for another banger trade? Did you take any trades? Let me know what's going on. Chat. Would love to see how your day is going. Alright, now we're starting to bull to the downside. Maybe we did this job right here, and we leave all this. Maybe we leave this intact. Kind of like what Money Glitch said. Maybe we just leave this intact for right now, because we're so close to all-time highs. We got participants in the market right now. Maybe we could just see a little 20 test right here for it to go up. So I'm waiting and watching. I'm thinking about taking this SBS. I'm assuming you mean the long. Yo, the text wrap is getting on my nerves now. Yeah, you may be good for a quick little pop. You may be good for a quick little pop. Smooth operator. What's up, man? How you doing? It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. You're a perma bull over there, Money Glitch? Permanently bullish? Every retracement is a buy. I know that's right. I know that's right, man. Every bearish day, it's just the market telling me it's on sale. Buy that shit. Over here trying to go against America. The sell doesn't even exist, the Money Glitch. At all. All right, little 20 test right here. So we're stuck in between a couple things here. Taking this high and then having a bearish engulfing that strong would suggest we want to punch down a little bit lower. But once again, I don't like the idea of just being bearish in this market. So I'll probably wait for this to cool off and then see if we can sneak into another buy or something like that. Yeah, I would like to see another buy too. Now that we're getting these sweeps right here. 1, 2. One, 2, 3. I mean, you could say that this is your 3 as well. It doesn't really matter though. Let's just pretend that this is your 3. But I don't like how the 3 is at a high. So I'm gonna have this right here. This may be the completion of that SBS sequence right there. It might not be. When in doubt, fib it out, right? So let's see. I kind of like that reaction. I'll put 3 micros right there. Just 3. See if we want to make some new highs here. Being very careful. That bearish engulfing is pretty scary. I ain't got too much on this trade right here. All right, guys. Any sign of funkiness, I'll probably be out of this one. 2 right there. So now I want this to push up right now. And if it doesn't, well, yeah, I'm going against the bearish engulfing here, so this wasn't too smart. This one wasn't too smart. And tagged out. Yeah, that wasn't too smart. That wasn't too smart. We saw the bearish engulfing here. I didn't want to believe in it though. Maybe my entry was too high. I may give it one more shot here. Then after that, I'm gonna leave it alone because I don't want to mess with profits for today, like I did yesterday. Oh yeah, she's ripping. I should have just took the bearish engulfing. You win some, you lose some, but mostly you lose some. So I took a $100 hit right there. See if we can find another one. Maybe my fib area is wrong. Yeah, I still want to see buyers here. I still want to see buyers.
Order filled.
Let me take a stab right there. And I'm gonna have it at this low. I'm gonna leave that risk like that. If we decide to bull up, it should be pretty fast. More rejection. Do we need to sweep this too? I hope not. The only thing that'll make me feel better is if we start closing above this 20 SMA. Other than that, we may be dealing with the chop once again. Alrighty, we may be dealing with the chop once again, fellas. tighten up stops just a little bit. I needed to close above here. I'm gonna be honest, this isn't looking too good. Close above in the 30-second? Yeah. Wanted to start screaming like right now though. Yeah, like leave these guys in the dust, you know what I mean?
Order filled.
Yeah, I can't hold that. Too scary for me. Too scary for me. I don't like how we're kind of sort of respecting bulls and then bears and then bears and then bulls. So if she wants to come all the way up here, that'd be great. But I'm kind of not interested in this anymore. There we go. Now we're starting to scream here.
Order filled.
Alright, I wanted to disrespect this right here. Get off the 30-second. Maybe that's the problem. Moment of truth right here. If we can close above on the 20 here, that'd be very nice. 10 more seconds for it. Of course. And nah, probably gonna get stopped out here.
Order filled.
There it is. Okay. Looks like this bullish engulfing isn't gonna hold right here, unfortunately. Yeah. Man. It is what it is, though. Nice little bullish engulfing there on the 5, but didn't want to flip all the way up for us. Unfortunate.
Order filled.
Dancing around here once again. We might get a tragic outcome here. Thank you. If you don't flip on up. That's not good. All right, I'm near break even on that one. If she wants to go from here, then this is the time for it. Yeah, like if this is correct, then this should be it. At fully break even now. I'm not taking partials on this. It either like runs to TP or it just comes back to break even. I'm not getting tired of dealing with nickel and diamond NQ. I really am. There we go. Burst through that, please, so I can take partials. There we go. Can we go all the way? Can we go all the way? Nope. All right, cool. All right, I'm done, guys. If we don't make a new big time high right here, then I'm just out for the day. Oh boy. Turn the easy day into a stressful day, honestly. All right, guys. Yeah, if that comes back to break even, I'm done for the day. I will be done for the day. Would love like a new screaming high here. God damn. Made us work for it, didn't she? Yes, she did. She made us work for it. But yeah, that's as much as my heart can take. That's as much as my heart can take. Sorry if you got. Well, first of all, you shouldn't be looking at me for signals. I know it was a joke, but don't follow me for signals. As you can see, I'm a degenerate just like you. But if you did get chopped, sorry about that. But this shit was kind of choppy. But we did have a little bit of patience. We said, hey, we're gonna wait for this to get swept. Here's a nice little Model 1 right here. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna just wait for this to hit TP. Just wait for this to hit TP. $70, $170, yeah, something like that. Yeah, like something like this right here, right? Oh my god, that's like the high too. God damn it. Alright, I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't think that's getting hit. But I don't think that's getting hit. But you know. A man can dream, right? A man can dream. 3K, yeah, I wish. Boom, goes the dynamite, guys. Boom, shakalaki. Beautiful day. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Wish it would have held some. What did I say? 1L actually. 1L. 2 wins. 2 W's. 2 W's. Nice there. Then the rest of this, right? Sorry for the music once again. Keeps pausing on me for some reason. $80 more. That's right. $80 more. Can we get it? Can we just boom up there? I would doubt it, but I kind of want to lock in some profits here. Kind of want to lock in a few dollars. But I know for a fact that we got to retrace right here. Don't want her to retrace, but that's just the market. It's got to retrace. So, or I could just close right here and look for another entry. Boom. All right, cool. So I'm gonna trail this aggressively, guys. Maybe not that aggressively. Let's give it to like right there. If we start popping above again, no, let's trail aggressively. Let's trail aggressively. I don't want this candle to flip down, so I'm gonna lock in $90 right there. I'm gonna lock in the 90. Nice little pop right there. If we get another pop up, I'll choke her even more. I'll choke her even more. Anybody married out there? You got your spouses out there, guys? All right, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna lock in 100. I'm choking her. She's being choked. All right, take me out right there, NASDAQ. I'll take that. Choking her. Wow. Yes, indeed. I love it. I mean, the more you give, the more I'll take. Why not, NASDAQ? Man, look at my entry. All right, here we go. Here we go. This is probably stop aside. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. We're almost there, guys. We're almost there. I got other people in chat saying today is boring. Good work, guys. Follow stops on closed 1 minute candles is what I would do. Yeah. At these highs, we can see like something violent and come all the way down. Something I just don't want to go through. Like 500 enough. We need like $80 to pass this. That's more than enough. Took the same trade and runner, just following 1 minute candles as Brandon mentioned. Very nice move. Very nice move, operator. Once again, I hope you guys I'm glad you guys are enjoying the show, but I just hope that we're not like blindly copy trading, because once again, I like to believe that I'm that guy in my head, but I don't want to be responsible for anybody's whatchamacallit. So yeah, don't copy trade me blindly. Make your own ideas, all that other stuff. As you can see, I definitely messed up in these levels right here. So yeah, but reasoning for the trade, I don't think I even have to say it, but SBS right here, we started to get closures above on the 1 minute. Now what I guess I could start doing is waiting for closures above on the 1 minute on the over top of the 20 SMA. I could start waiting for that to make the trade a little bit more stress free for me, because down here it was still kind of 50-50. Closing above here on the SMA is like, okay, yeah, it's time. It's time. You know what I mean? So yeah, good stuff if you caught. Good stuff if you caught. A Dave technique, yeah. I missed that move. I wanted a deeper retrace, but I got pieces already today. Very nice. Nah, I never covered a very good smooth. And then a bit earlier, I'll journal Discord. Very nice. I love to hear it. Love to hear it. Love to hear it. Love to hear it. Look at that. Maybe I choked a little bit too harshly. Alrighty, there's that little ICT thing that's happening. So after we take these highs, I could, it would make sense if we either consolidate and punch lower, or consolidate and punch higher, or we can just drop off the face of the earth. It doesn't really matter to me because I'm done. Or am I? You got a good trade is over. Don't consider what could have been, only what is. Yes, that's true. Or we can full port right now and get these last couple points and be done. You know what I mean? Look. 200 SMA tap on what time frame? What time frame are you looking at for that? Yeah, I might just save this for tomorrow. I mean, if there's any type of opportunity, but we've been here before, right? 1, 2, 3. Nah. One minute is supported nicely. Oh, right, duh. It's right here. Duh. Yeah, as much as I just want to just be like, hey, because I'll be honest with you, I kind of don't want to trade tomorrow. Really don't. Really don't want to trade tomorrow. Yeah, top of the range, no longs, indeed. In Dizzle. I wish I can. I'm still kind of dizzy. I mean, well, I'm not dizzy. My balance is still a little bit off, but I'm gonna do like, probably do some push-ups, some sit-ups. Maybe I'll go downstairs and do a pull-up or two just to see how it feels. But I haven't been able to work out fully in like 2 weeks, and it's really killing me. I have that when you don't have the feelings of endorphins going through you, it's like, ugh. It's a low-key depression, but not really. I haven't been able to drink coffee either because caffeine kind of like messes with not mess with it, but it kind of just messes with that process a little bit. Like that feeling of lightheadedness, if I were to drink a coffee, that would come back, I would suppose. I'm drinking tea right now, and even with the tea, I can kind of sort of feel it. So it's like, yeah, let's not do anything to exacerbate this. So no caffeine, no alcohol. Yeah, I've been off that shit for a minute. That's all you need. I do all my workouts at home. Absolutely. Absolutely, positively. Alright, to prove that I'm not a degenerate, I'm gonna just lock this outfit there. I don't want to. I really don't want to. Chat, what should I do? Should I lock outfit today? Come back tomorrow, get these last, $75? What do you think? 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 I can't believe I didn't hold 2 micros to these highs though. Ain't that a stinker? I am 1 month no weed after 35 years today. Congratulations, Brando. Congratulations, my guy. Sobriety and all that good stuff. Lock it up? No. We're going back in. Right now. Full port. And all you need is a little scout tomorrow instead of trying to hold a long move. Yeah, you're right. No, you're right. Let's do the right thing. Alright, I'm locked up. The account is locked. Ouch. Let me see. I'm gonna put myself on mute real quick. All right, so y'all know me. I'm not a hateful person, but bro, these ICT guys really gotta stop. How was today boring? Oh, today is boring. What? What do you mean? Today was beautiful. Per every CPI. I just don't see, bro. That just lets me know how I'm at the right place. Cause how do you not see it? How do you not see it? This is incredible. This is absolutely incredible. today was boring. Just say you can't read price, bro. Just say you can't read price. I'd rather you do that, man. I'd rather you do that. This is, wait, what is CPI high? I'm sorry, I was right at first. This is orb high. Orb, and this is CPI. My bad. CPI high. Went all day like that. Shit. Anyway, now we could probably see ICT's 2022 model work finally. But after taking all these paper cuts, you're probably already assed out. Like, I can probably see some lows getting swept right here. All that good stuff. I feel you. I feel you. Hey. Which I think is ICT's algorithm on. Is it on? Is it on? This shit is so garbage. this shit is so garbage, bro. I tell you. Well, it hasn't lost yet. It hasn't lost yet, but Once again, the music stopped. Bro, this shit is so garbage. It hasn't lost yet, though. It hasn't lost yet. Let me give it some faith. Let me give it some faith. We got the order block right here. You know, maybe, or whatever the fuck they call this shit. We got the propulsion block, the dragon dog incoming. What we got here? Is it gonna propulse? We're gonna propulse right here. Propulsion block. We inverse the fair value gap. What's gonna happen? What does that mean? Somebody who's smart, who's better, who's master of the algo. Tell me what this means right here. We drew the rectangles and it got inversed. And this shit is so garbage. This shit is so garbage. What the fuck? It was crazy. I respect people that make money with it though, because this shit is ass. Wait, hold up. It hasn't lost yet. It hasn't lost yet. Technically speaking, it hasn't lost yet. Wait a minute, hold up. It has a chance. Still has a shot. There's an ICT trader that's going to call this bad price action because their stop got hit when we're clearly bullish. I can almost guarantee it. Dude. This is so buns, bro. This shit is ass. How did y'all trade like this? I mean, every trade has the potential to lose. But why? I'm sorry. Oh God. I ain't got nothing else to say, bro. I ain't got nothing else to say. What the fuck? Why did you take this shit? Close above the range, retrace it to the range, SPS out of the range over and over. Yep. It's a good day in the DTFX SBS camp. I don't know what them other niggas doing. I don't know. Oh, it's getting late. Oh, it's getting late. The potty mouth is starting to come out, but this shit is ass. Why would you do this to yourself, man? And then it stops you out, and then it's going to try and give you some type of, no, bro, I can't do it. I just can't do it. I just can't do it. I just can't do it. Oh, boy. After yesterday's events, I needed this laugh. I'm not going to lie. If you make money on... Hold up, I'm going to show y'all my Twitter for a second. Look at this. If you make money on CPI, it's luck, and I don't rely. Just say you can't trade, bro. Just say you can't trade. Just say you can't trade. I'd rather you do that. I'd rather you do that. Woo! I needed that. I needed that. I needed these labs. I needed all of this. I don't rely on luck. Your shit is ass. Woo! Why is this so sensitive? I can't trade, niggas just constantly complaining. Whew. Lord have mercy. Guys, I had my laughs. I had my kicks. I am going to... Let me get out of here. Yeah, I'm gonna think about it. Yeah, there's no point in looking at this anymore. I will post this in Pepe's. Once again, if you haven't joined Pepe's Discord for like 4 people that's watching, I would join that, and I would also join Stoic's private mentorship. It really does help. That's the only reason I've been able to get these snipes like this. When in doubt, fib it out. When in doubt, fib that shit out. But beautiful day. Beautiful day in the DTFX SBS camp. I know a lot of ICT niggas that lost today. Not to make fun of them, but today was pretty simple. But every strategy has its day. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. Like, comment, subscribe on your way out. Yeah, good job today, guys.